This is a meditation for beginners. Hi, my name's L Conroy. Welcome to Happy Stuff and Fluff, a channel for women over 50 who are getting happy and growing younger. Okay, so I say a meditation for beginners, but even if you meditate all the time, I'm sure you'll enjoy this meditation. It is the second video in a two-part series, so if you haven't seen the first video, I'll leave a link to it here because I would like you to watch that first. What I want to do today is to bring you home to yourself, to that sanctuary within. Now, I know that sounds a little bit flowery, but if you practice this meditation on a daily basis, you will begin to feel that, and that's what it's going to become. So let's, without further ado, start the meditation, and I'll speak to you later. So just take a few seconds now to get comfortable, to relax, get your hands into a comfortable place. Slight smile on your lips to relax your face. Breathe. Deep breath in through the tummy, and on the out breath, relax. Let your shoulders drop. Take a deep breath in for 3 counts. Gently blow out for 6 counts, or whatever you can manage. Continue to breathe in this way. Breathe in and out. With each out breath, sink deeper into your seat and relax. Breathe. With each out-breath, let your whole body relax more and more. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3. Out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Allowing your tummy to rise on the in-breath, gently return on the out-breath. Your eyes are gently closed. Your face is relaxed. Your shoulders and arms are relaxed. Torso and tummy are relaxed, and your hips, legs and feet, feeling heavy now, are relaxed. You are relaxed. Now let your breathing return to normal, allowing your tummy to rise on the in-breath and gently return on the out-breath. Focus on the rise and fall of your tummy. When your mind starts to wander, just let it pass by as if on a cloud. return to your breathing. Let that thought pass by. Come back to your breath. Focus all your attention on your breathing. You are watching your breath give you life. This is your resting place. In this place, right now, all is well. You are blessed. So now, keeping your eyes closed, I want you to take your attention off your breath and into your body. Become very conscious of how you are feeling right now. What does this moment feel like? Because this is a feeling that you can come back to each and every time you practice. This feeling is waiting for you, especially during those times when you are anxious or fraught, or when life is just busy. You can come back whenever you like. I'm going to count from 3 to 1 now to bring you back to the room. 3, you're conscious of the room, deep breath. 2, wriggle your fingers. 1, open your eyes. Thank you. I do hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments box below, how it made you feel. And if you think you might, at some point down the line, like another one, let me know that too, because I would surely like to do one for you. I do hope that you can come back to that video every day if you can, especially over the Christmas period. I think you'll enjoy it and I think it's going to help you. Okay, so that's it for now, and I'll see you soon. In the meantime, in fact, I'll probably see you sooner than you might think, so watch out for me. And in the meantime, remember that on the Happy Stuff and Fluff, we are getting happy and growing younger. See you soon. Bye-bye.